Unlock the power of your customer data with this quick guide on exporting contacts from Follow Up Boss. First, navigate to the People tab in your Follow Up Boss account. This is where all your valuable contact information resides. To refine your export, use the Filter button. This allows you to segment your contacts based on various criteria like tags, stage, or source, ensuring you only export the data you need. Choose your desired filters and apply them. This is crucial for targeted data analysis or importing specific segments into other systems. Once your contacts are filtered, locate the Export All Number Contacts button at the top right of the screen. The number will reflect the contacts currently displayed. A pop-up window will appear with different export options. The most common and versatile format is CSV, which is compatible with most spreadsheet software and CRMs. Choose whether to include all fields or only visible columns. Including all fields ensures you capture every data point associated with your contacts. Click the Export button. Follow Up Boss will then begin generating your CSV file. The time it takes depends on the number of contacts you're exporting. Once the export is complete, the CSV file will be downloaded to your computer. You can then open it in your preferred spreadsheet program or import it into another system. And that's it. You've successfully exported your contact data from Follow Up Boss. Now you can leverage this information for reporting, analysis, or seamless data transfer.